Job site here. Time to get to work. All right, we're about 12 days into this thing and took a break to grab some lunch. Thought I'd show you what the lot looks like, what the yard looks like doing these inspections. There we go. We're doing 9 at a time. Got all those to do. Those are done. View out the side by the ponds. Bike trail right there. People ride by all the time. I'm gonna eat my sandwich and get back to it. All right, so maybe I'm not gonna do a sandwich. Get some pizza going while they're out working. All right, so this one had a broken converter cover. That's the old broken one. That's the new one installed. Both tabs are secure, both screws are secure, and got the correct amount of breaker space there. They're parking these things so close together, I had to remove the step just to get in. Some sunshine over there. That's rare.
Over here, like 5 minutes ago, there was just stripes of orange. It was awesome.
Oh yeah. All right, so this one's got a bad range hood replacement. Get it going. So this is one that we diagnosed last week and had to order the part for. So range hood. The problem on that one was the fan motor was dead, and on this particular range hood you can't just replace the exhaust fan motor, so we had to buy the whole hood. Greystone brand, got the replacement here. I'm gonna get it installed. All right, new range hood. There's the light. Fan, venting out. Good to go.